So there is some file on this PC, and I have to send it on my working PC. And here I am in virtual box, so I do not have like any WhatsApp or Facebook account to send through it, and even not share it type any third party application to send it. So to solve this problem, how can I send a file from this computer um, to this one? So I am going to show you all how we can transfer file easily from one computer to another on the same network. It is for the same networking devices. So first of all, let's clear this tab. Now there are some pictures of mine that I have taken for screenshots. So let's see that. These are the pictures I want to send um, to my working laptop. So what shall I do is, like, I have no any media to send. So simply I can do, I can create this computer as a server and download the file from my main PC. So let's do it. So for that we need to create a server, that is we create using Python. And here we can give the desired port to access the files. Like I am giving here like 7005. So here the server is running. Okay, here the server is running. Now I'll show you how I'll download the file on my main computer. So I was doing another work. Let me just save this. Okay, it is done. So simply we can go in any browser available with us. So for now I am going with Brave browser. Now for that uh, I need to know the IP address of my main computer, or and the computer from where we want to send our file. So for now I know the IP address of uh, my another computer, but for you all I have to show it. So let's go back to the desktop and let's check for the uh, oh, it is a bit slow. Okay, now let's check for the IP address. And on Linux we check using IP, ADDR, and even a ifconfig. As there are various methods. So I am connected with Ethernet here. So this is the IP address. Oh look, this is the IP address. Now simply I can go on my main computer and just write http, okay, and then followed by IP address, okay, forward slash, and followed by the IP address. It's 192.168 dot of it was 56.102, and the exact port number we have used there. So what was the port number? 7005, I guess. So it's 7005. Look, this is it. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is it. Now here are these files. Now I can open it and look. This was the screenshot. This was the type of files, and this were the images. So simply I can view it, and I can even download it by just, okay, Okay, now just by clicking enter we can download it on our main computer. So this is it for today. uh, Comment below that was it helpful for you all guys. And someday often we do not have any media to share our files, um, so we can use this technique and how we can get our job done. Isn't it cool? Yeah. So this much for today.